Logic gates. A computer carries out all operations internally by means of combination of signals passing through standard blocks of built-in circuits known as logic gates. In other words, a logic gate is an electronic circuit that operates on one or more input signals to receive or produce standard output signals. These logic gates are building blocks of electronic circuits in computer. Digital computers use a variety of logic gates in their design. Each gate has standard graphic symbol and boolean function, which is expression describes its operation. We can represent the input output relationship of binary variables of for each gate in the form of truth table. So these are logic gates. First is AND gate. The graphic symbol for AND gate is as follows. Now boolean functions which is representation is c is equal to a dot b or c is equal to ab. Now truth table a b c 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. So this is truth table. OR gate, this is symbol for OR gate. Boolean function is c is equal to a plus b and truth table is a b c 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Now third is NOT gate. This is symbol for NOT gate. Logical expression or a boolean function is c is equal to a dash or c is equal to a dash. A dash, that is a's complement, is for 0 it is 1 and for 1 it is 0. NAND gate. A b output is c. The logical function is c is equal to a dash b or a dot b complement or a complement plus b complement. Now truth table is abc. AB 0 0 output is 1 0 1 output is 1 1 0 output is 1 1 1 output is 0. For NOR gate, this is symbol, this is circuit actually, graphic symbol. Then expression is c a down arrow b or c is equal to a plus b dash or c is equal to a dash dot b dash. Truth table is abc 0 0 1, output is 0 0. For 0 0 output is 1, for 0 1 output is 0, for 1 0 output is 0, for 1 1 output is 0. Name of gate is XOR. Graphic symbol is as follows. Now boolean function is a in circle plus b or c is equal to a dash b plus a b dash or c is equal to a complement b plus a b complement. Truth table is a b c 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. Exclusive NOR or XNOR. This is a graphic symbol for XNOR gate. Now output is c is equal to a in circle dot b or c is equal to a plus b complement or c is equal to ab plus a dash b dash or c is equal to a dot b plus a dash dot b dash. Truth table is abc for 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. So these are logic gates basically. They are used in various circuits.